Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of
Reactions.
Or something like that. Alright, so we know it's been a minute since we've done a show and we're sorry. We have another show that's being edited but it hasn't been finished yet, so there's that too. Today's episode, we thought we might try something that the internet is swimming with, but of course we got to do it too. But we aren't just going to do one thing, are we guys? You guys know about the Chubby Bunny challenge? Well, we decided to smash a couple together. We're going to do Chubby Bunny. We're calling it Chunky Monkey because it's just more fun for us. And we also have some videos in the background here. You'll probably catch some audio on camera, but these guys are going to be trying not to laugh while they're doing the Chunky Monkey. And we do expect a nice, big, nasty, drooly, sloppy mess on this episode. Alright, so we'll hopefully have a couple of episodes come out about the same time. We'll have our previous one that's still being edited, and we'll have this one once it's all said and done. Alright, so you guys know the game? Do you know how this works? Have you seen enough internet videos?
I believe so.
Yeah? How do you guys think this works?
Each time you stick a marshmallow in your mouth, you gotta say Chubby Bunny or Chunky Monkey.
Chunky Monkey, right.
Until you spit it out or laugh.
Right, in this case, until you guys, spit or splurt it out from laughter watching these videos behind me. In 3, 2, 1, go ahead.
Chunky Monkey.
Chunky Monkey.
Try not to laugh.
Okay.
It's try not to laugh and try not to spit out your marshmallows when you laugh.
Yes.
Alright.
Go.
Ew.
No chewing.
Sorry. Chunky Monkey.
There it is.
Chunky Monkey.
Picked a good video, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Round 3.
Chunky Monkey.
Alright. Andrew's about to lose this already.
Ow, my cheek hurts.
That's the best thing ever.
Make it a little harder, huh? Alright, round 4. What was that? Well, I would say Andrew lost the laughing part of it at least. We'll keep going until one of them gets spits it out. Andrew's close.
Chunky Monkey.
Alright. Alright.
No more.
Alright, next round. Ready?
How do you fit that many in his mouth?
Alright.
Chunky Monkey.
Alright, you guys ready for the next round?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Mm-hmm. No chewing. No chewing. Stupid. Oh, here's another one. Chunky Monkey.
Alright.
I don't know how many I want to. Who needs some milk?
Chunky Monkey.
So now, since they keep dissolving, you just gotta keep stuffing them in there. All right, now say it. All right, stuff them over there.
Chunky monkey.
Oh, yes, I sent you.
I'm just saying this. I'll see what I'm saying. That one's 15 years. I'm not sure if I thought it was good.
Huh?
That's not fun if I don't. It's not.
Huh? Say that again.
It's coming out.
It's coming. Is that what you're trying to say? Andrew has a marshmallow on the floor there. He's got to scoop up, but I think. What do you guys think? S'mores tonight?
No thanks, I'm good.
Roasted marshmallows, maybe?
No, I'm marshmallow out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ice cream is another thing, but
Marshmallow flavored ice cream?
no thanks, I'm good. That's the last thing I want to.
All right. So I proposed to Andrew last time, and hey, look, I got another bag over here.
Why'd you buy so many?
I didn't know how many.
have to have more.
I didn't know how many you could stuff in your face.
Obviously a lot, to the point where I almost threw up.
Yeah, I almost.
That would have been fun.
Yeah, I have to clean up.
Yeah, that's what the dogs are for, right? Oh.
Don't forget to leave a like
Comment.
and subscribe and hit the little bell.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
All right, bye.